Today, I want to show you how I make my chicken sauce. So, if you have an event or you have a family gathering and you want to wow your guests, just try this recipe and you come and give me my two in the comment section. So, let's start. Here, I have my chicken breast, and you can use any part of the chicken. If you want bones, that is fine. If you don't want, you can just remove the bones and then you are good. So here I washed it properly and I am going to season the chicken. I made this homemade seasoning and it was a banger. Just watch my previous video and you'll love it. So I added it and I am going to add powdered pepper and then give it a good massage. I will then add oil before doing the massage, okay? So I am going to massage it using my hands. Hey, so here I am making sure to massage it properly. If you are new here, I am Pirat and you are welcome to my channel. Here I share homemade recipes which are very easy to recreate and then you'll love it here, okay? Please subscribe if you haven't because free Jessica. Subscribe what it, like this video and share this video for me. So after mixing it, I will set it aside in the fridge for it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. So next we are going to make our slurry. So in a bowl I added my soy sauce and this is the brand I used in case you want to know. This is the brand I used. So next I am going to add dark soy sauce, but you can add the light soy sauce as well. So I will add it. I will then add flour and here you can add cornstarch as well. Add water and I am going to give it a good mix. So in case you notice it is a bit lumpy, don't worry at all. Just use your spoon and then mash the lumps just like this and everything will be perfect like this. You can make your slurry thicker than this if you prefer. So on to the next, I have some green bell peppers, carrots, onions, and then this is my spice blend. In my pan I will add oil. Add as much oil as you want, okay? And I am going to transfer the marinated chicken into it and I am going to be stirring it from time to time till it is well cooked. Please make sure the chicken is well cooked or fried. If I should say it like this, make sure it is well fried before you continue with the process. Okay, we don't want any food poisoning here, so I will keep on doing this. You will just notice by just looking at it that this thing is ready. So at this point my chicken is almost ready, not ready, almost ready. So I will keep on stirring it from time to time. So once it is 90% ready, I will add my vegetables. So I added carrots, onion, green bell peppers, and you can add any vegetable of choice or vegetables of choice. The choice is yours. So here I am going to give it a good stir for everything to be well combined. And here I couldn't resist the aroma, guys. Hey, just try my homemade spice and you will just understand me. So next I added my slurry and then I am going to stir it once more. I will then rinse my bowl with small water and then add it to the sauce and give it a stir again. So once I'm done stirring, I am going to cover this and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. So here after 10 minutes, and this is our sauce almost ready, guys. Just try this recipe for your people, and the way they will give you France, because they will enjoy this sauce to the fullest. Don't sleep on my recipes because I share amazing and easy to recreate recipes here. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, okay? And here, after some few minutes, our chicken sauce is ready and it is looking yummy delicious. So I served it with some rice. You can as well serve it with jollof or fried rice or any dish you wish to pair it with. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.